everybody.
Hey.
In case you can't guess, we are in our tent.
Yeah.
And that's because it's raining. Look at all that rain up there.
Yeah. Not terribly hard, but it's raining.
Yeah, just enough to make it annoying. So
yeah.
we're going to recap what happened yesterday, which was July 4th. We thought it was going to be nice and, you know, Independence Day. Thought it was going to be a nice Independence Day, but it was not. We did Chairback Mountain.
Oh my God.
Which has, you're like going up, obviously, because that's what you do. You're going up and up and up. And then you think you're almost to the top, and then there's a wall of boulders that you have to like scramble up. And it was really hard.
It was really hard, and yes, I cried at that one. Chad, like, so we came up from like doing just like the hardest crap ever, and I was like, oh my God, that was so hard. And then he turns a corner, and the look on his face, he said, you're gonna have to dig real deep for this one. I was like, no, don't tell me that. I was already like, just, oh my God, are we ever gonna make it before it gets dark? And I turn around the corner and I see what it is, and I'm like, oh my God, crying like a little baby.
Like, just one single step took, you know, probably 2 to 3 minutes for her.
Oh my God, because I have short legs.
It's not a big deal, but I'm just saying the intensity of that climb was just like.
Oh my God, I was like hyperventilating and like.
But so we made it. We made it, and we made it into camp. We made it in a Chairback Gap shelter, which was crazy too. We had to go. You're walking along. Finally, it's a little bit level, and then to get to the shelter, you have to go up another stupid hill. So we make it up there. We make it up there, and there's obviously we do a lot of tenting. We don't stay in the shelters a lot, and there was like nowhere to set up a tent. So we're laying on the rocks and roots and stuff.
And the tent is like on a slanting down a slope. We're like, oh, we'll make it work.
But it was still a good day because, well, we weren't at work, but most people weren't at work yesterday on 4th of July either.
Yeah.
But anyway.
It was a good day because we lived.
We overcame our fears again. And then, and then we went to sleep just like every night. So.
Yeah.
All right. Anything else?
No.
All right.
Bye, guys.
Bye.